Hello, YouTube family. How are you doing today? Today, I'm so excited because I am back with 5 work from home job leads that they will train you. So, if you're looking for a work from home job lead where training is provided, then here are some opportunities that you can go ahead and apply now in order to make decent amount of money here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and dive right into the first job. As you can see on the screen, the first job is with referral coordinators to work from home. This is a full-time position, and when we scroll down, we're looking to see how much we're going to get paid. The salary is between 56K all the way up to 65K a year. That is between 26 to $31 an hour, y'all. That is excellent money working from home. Okay, so I would say go ahead and apply today here. Okay, so we dive down a little bit deeper here. For those who are interested in benefits, they do offer competitive medical, dental, vision, life, and AD&D insurance. Also, when you scroll down here, work from home, additional perks, they will pay you $50 a month added directly to the employee's paycheck to cover home internet expense. And in a one-time work from home, up to $500, where they will pay for your work from home equipments and office equipment. So when we dive right into what you're going to be doing is you're going to collaborate with the cross-function teams to triage, refer patients and support referrals, partners during their patient's admission process. You're going to serve as a liaison between new providers and clinical partnership representative. You're going to manage data and reports in multiple systems, including a CRM, EMR, and data analytical platform. You're going to manage confidential health information thoughtfully, and then you're going to perform other duties as assigned. Now, with this job, it does require a bachelor's degree. It's required 2+ years of experience in a customer service role or a case management role, preferable in healthcare, strong interpersonal skills and a relationship building expertise, exceptional verbal and written communication skills, sharp organization skills with the capability to manage details in fast-paced, fluid uh, environment, comfortable with a remote role and a remote team with high self-motivation and ability to think critical to quickly and accurately work through challenge and report changes and ability and willingness to travel as needed. I say talk this over in your interview, because a lot of times, like I said, the job that I've been on for 15 years, it required for me to travel, and I haven't traveled one time. So don't get disencouraged and say, okay, I'm not going to apply for this job because it requires traveling. Always check and ask. Reach out to the hiring manager and just double check. One case, if I don't have a desire to travel, what do you suggest? And if this is something you want to do, all you need to do is scroll down like I'm doing and hit the apply button right here. You can always explore within the company. There's other opportunities where you can click here and they could take you back to other jobs that you can apply for. This is job number one. Job number two is with this company. As you can see on the screen, they're seeking account resolution specialist to hospital to work from home. This is a full-time position. Now, this job do have state hiring restriction listed. They are currently hiring in these following states only. Okay, so there are state hiring restriction lists. You have to be living in these states. This is a remote position. Candidates who meet the minimal qualification will be required to complete a video pre-screen to move forward in the hiring process. Hourly rate is up to $21 an hour based on experience. Now, we dive in a little bit deeper. You're going to submit medical claims in accordance with federal, state, and payer mandate guidelines. You're going to ensure proper claim submission and payment through reviews and correction of claim edits and errors and denials. You're going to research and analyze and review claim errors and rejection towards applicant corrections. You're going to investigate, follow up with payers, and collect the insurance accounts receivable as assigned. You're going to maintain required knowledge of payer updates and process modification to ensure accurate claim submission, process, and follow up. You're going to also verify and adjust claims to ensure that clients' accounts accurately reflect the correct liability and balance. Other duties and responsibility as assigned to meet company's business needs. Now, this job only requires a high school diploma or equivalent, 1 year's experience working at this company as an ARS, 1+ years of inpatient, outpatient medical billing, follow-up experience with a hospital or vendor setting to secure insurance payment or AR resolution, experience in one or more EMR systems such as Meditech, Epic, and then all of this here, and then proficient with computers including Microsoft Office Suite, Teams go to meeting room and go to meetings in Zooms. Remember to go to Microsoft 365 training where you can learn that for free. And they want you to have knowledge of ICD-10 diagnostic and diagnostics and procedure codes and CPT HCPCS codes, knowledge of rules and regulation relative to healthcare, revenue cycle administration, skill in medical accounts, investigation, ability to validate payments, ability to make decision and act, ability to learn, use collaboration tools and messaging systems, and then ability to take professional responsibility for quality and timeliness of work product, ability to achieve results with little oversight. Now, if this is something you want to do, to my right, you want to complete your application, all you need to do is put your first, last name, your email address, your phone number, address, and then your resume, and then who refer you to the position in their first and last name. You're more than welcome to put my name on there. Answer these questions, and then once you complete everything to the best of your ability, you can scroll down like I'm doing and fill out everything to the best of your ability, and then you want to hit submit application. This is opportunity number 2. Opportunity number 3 is with Broadpath. We know that Broadpath is always hiring. They have a whole bunch of positions available, but right now they're hiring for prior authorization representative to work from home. They do not list the salary, so I take upon myself to research. I want to explain to a lot of people when they don't list the salary. A lot of people say, well, when you reach out to these hiring managers, why do you don't ask for a salary? I do ask for the salary, but the issue is that they don't want to tell you the salary because it depends on your experience and your location. So I have to go in and research like I'm doing and kind of use Google or Glassdoor to figure out what the salary is so you can kind of get a ballpoint. According to Glassdoor, the starting salary is $33,854 all the way up to $37,994 a year. That is between $16 to $18 an hour. It can start at $14.31 an hour. But again, you won't know the true pay until you go into an interview. Now, when we dive in a little bit deeper, you're going to verify eligibility and coverage for prescribed medication. Very easy. I used to do this. If medication is not covered, working with the caller to determine what medication can be covered and assist with building product prior authorization for these medication, assist prior authorization individual with status updates on the authorization and status of the request. You're going to be reviewing medication inquiries and contacting healthcare providers for follow-up information. Y'all, this is an easy job. This is not a call center where calls are back to back. This is something that I've done in the past and I really enjoyed it. Review providing documentation and accurately interpreting and enter data into the database. Excellent communication, both verbal and written, and problem solving skills, ability to effectively multitask and possess excellent attention to details. They're looking for someone that's self-motivated. Now, the requirement is 1+ years of healthcare claims or medical administrative work experience, 1+ years of recent employment with previous employers, 2+ years of customer service or call center experience, computer literate, Microsoft Windows, keyboarding skills, strong system aptitude, medical and healthcare terminology knowledge, exceptional communication skills, strong computer data entry skills, high school diploma or equivalent. They want you to be proficient in Microsoft Office and industrial related software programs, ability to work with peers in a team environment or team effort and independently resolve issues, capability to efficiently complete tasks in a fast paced environment, and 100% attendance is required during training. So they will train you. Okay, they will train you regardless if you have experience or not. How many jobs I can tell you every job that I have been on, I went through some kind of training. These are online jobs as well in person, but all these online jobs that I have worked in the past, I went through at least 2 weeks of training. Some of them was 6 weeks training. So you're going to go through some training, whether if you have experience or not. I'm not going to go to preferred qualification because that means if you have it, that's great. If you don't worry about it. Now, if this is something you want to do, you want to click right here where it says apply. This is job number 3. Now, job number 4 is with this company, as you can see on the screen. They're seeking medical billing specialist payment posting to work from home. This is a part-time position. And when I scroll down, the first thing that I'm looking for is how much I'm going to get paid. The salary is between $15 to $20 an hour. Okay. And it's just telling you right here that the company is based in New York and prioritizes remote candidates for these positions here. Okay. So it really doesn't say it is a state hire restriction listed on this particular job. Okay. So as long as you're in the 50 states, you should be eligible to apply for this job. Now we dive in a little bit deeper about what you're going to do is you're going to analyze EOBs and post manual payments. You're going to identify pairs with payment posting issues. You're going to accurately correct payment posting errors. You're going to investigate payment issues while addressing outstanding payment errors and denials to expedite resolution. You're going to document all payment related activities and communication thoroughly and accurately. You scroll down, they're looking for someone that have 2 years experience with revenue cycle management and billing for commercials and Medicaid plans, especially in the autism space, with payment posting, strong attention to detail and accuracy, excellent communication and problem solving skills, ability to manage multitask and prioritize effectively, experience working with all commercial and government payers portals, knowledge of denials and corrections, minimal availability of 35 hours a week during core business hours. This role requires strong organization skills and ability to handle sensitive information with confidential. And if this sounds like something that you're able to do, then you click right here where it says apply for this job. This is opportunity number 4. Now, opportunity number 5 is with this company, Equip. They're seeking medical cash posters to work from home. And when we scroll down, the first thing we're looking for is how much we're going to get paid. The salary is between 47K all the way up to 55K a year. Again, the salary is 57K all the way up to 55K a year. That's around $22 to $26 an hour. Okay. Now, for those who are interested in medical benefits, they will give you competitive medical, dental, vision, life, and AD&D insurance. That they're going to give you that, and they're going to pay for some of your work from home expense like internet. They're going to pay for all of that. Okay. So we're going to go over here and see what they have to offer here. Okay. We're going to dive down a little bit further here. You're going to process insurance and patients refund requests in a timely manner. Okay. You're going to post payments and or denials from insurance remits. You're going to interpret coding data to understand claims submitting to insurance companies. You're going to communicate with payers about overpayment and or missing EOBs. You're going to process and track patient statements. You're going to perform other duties as assigned. Working hours are Mondays through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. They want you to be familiar with ANSI codes used for medical billing and claims processing, high school diploma with the AIA, preferred at least 1 year medical payment posting experience. And if this sounds like something that you're able to do, then all you need to do is scroll right here and hit the apply button. I want to bring this to a lot of people's attention. When you fill out an application, anytime you see lever at the end of when you scroll down, that means that this application is ATS, which stands for Applicant Tracker System. So you need to make sure that your application is optimized to the job, okay, that you're applying for in order to increase your chances of passing the ATS. I want to throw that out there. I want to go over a software. I've talked about this before, but I want to bring this up. Is Earn Better. Earn Better is 100% free. This is a great platform. A lot of people have reached out to me and they have received jobs using Earn Better and got interviews using Earn Better, and it can happen to you too. The great thing about it is you can search for work from home jobs leads on this platform, as well as you can do resumes, cover letters, and create docs for external jobs. You can click on resumes. You are welcome to start a resume from scratch, or you can download a resume. It's up to you. If you start from scratch, you can hit save and continue. And this is where you want to upload your resume, and you want to make sure that your resume is a PDF file, because or saved as a PDF file, because according to hiring manager, it is more readable to pass the ATS. And all you have to do is click right here where it says I don't have a resume, and this is where you will start. Anytime you are doing a resume, y'all, your resume has to be optimized to every job that you're applying for. So say, for example, if I was going back here and I wanted to apply for this job here, okay, as a refer coordinator, I want to go in here and I want to copy and paste that title, and I can type it in, or I can just copy and paste, and I hit save and continue right here. Okay. So Earn Better, the AI is making this resume template for me for free, y'all. So if you're not understanding AI, you're falling behind, because everything that you do, everything is going to AI. So this is something that you got to understand and get that knowledge and comprehend it as quick as possible. Because I'm sorry, if you're not following up to date with AI, you're going to fall behind. That's where more and more companies are going to with these resumes. So like, for example, you can do designs here. These are resume templates. People get on here and they post these resume templates and they're selling them for like $20, $30. You can get this for free, y'all. This is very free. You could choose the classic, bold, clean, or moderate. I say stick with the classic, something simple. All this border at the top and to the side, I feel that it's going to throw the applicant track system. And when you need a job, you're going to stick with something simple. So you know that the classic is already checked for me. I don't have to worry about changing the font. I don't have to worry about the margins. I don't have to worry about nothing. All I have to do is enter the information and it does it for me. So again, you can go to text and you can start typing right now. Okay, I can start typing my information right now here. I can put my first name here. I could put my last name. I could put my email address, and I could put my phone number here, and I could put the city and the state. And if I have a LinkedIn account, I could put it there. My summary, I could put a summary, or I can say objective. I can switch to objective here. And I can say seeking, I'm going to just type this in, seeking and then I'm going to copy and paste what I did here. Okay. And I know it sounds simple, y'all, but I'm going to let AI rewrite this for me. So I'm going to hit rewrite objective here. And AI is going to come up with a better objective for me. So this is my original. Here's suggesting 1, suggesting 2, suggesting 3. You see how easy this is, y'all? It's very self-explanatory. So I could just choose one and that's it. And I could come right here and take out objective. And I already got my objective right here. Your work experience. All you do is click right here where it says add your work experience. I can say I did data entry. I'm going to add that in there. And I'm going to say SIG track. That's where I did data entry at. Okay. I'm going to put start date January the 22nd, 2022, all the way to present. And I don't have a resume in front of me. So I'm going to go back and use one of these jobs that I went on. And I'm going to just pretend like I did this on the job, y'all. Okay. I'm going to pretend like this is exactly what I did on the job. And I'm going to copy and paste this here. Okay. That's all I need to do. If I had another job, I would add it in. I could put my education here. If I went to college, I could put it down. I could put, I could say a bachelor's degree, or I can say applied science. Let me do here in bachelor's degree. Hold on. Of applied science. And then I'm going to put down computer science. I'm just making something up. I'm going to put down Texas Tech, College Station, graduation date. I'm going to say basically January 2025. If I have any certifications, I can add my certifications. I can put AWS Cloud, Amazon, and then I can add my skills, or I can let AI. AI is the one that looked at the job that I'm applying for and say, these are the skills I need to add into my resume in order for it to pass the ATS system. So I'm just clicking on this, and you see how it automatically saves it for me. So at this time, I can share it, but I'm going to hit finish, y'all. And when I hit finish, I can always go back and look at my resume. This is the resume, y'all. It took under 7 minutes. It took under 7 minutes for me to do. Okay. I didn't have to worry about my margins or anything. But if I see a mistake, all I need to do is go into text and choose whatever I need to do. If I need to change my header, I need to change my objective, I can choose. If I need to delete my work experience, I can. If I need to add another one, that's how easy it is, y'all, to do earn better. There's a lot of things that you can do. You can do cover letters, because a lot of companies want cover letters. You can do cover letters. I can show you how to do cover letters. Again, you want to go back to the job that you're applying for, and you want to click right here. I copy and paste this title, this job title, and I put it right here. You're more than welcome to type it in, but I prefer to copy and paste. Do you have a job description? Yes, I do. So it wants the company's name. I want to put the quip, and then I want to copy the job description here. Okay, so I'm going to go start right here all the way down here to the experience here. Okay, so probably about right here. And I want to hit copy, and then I want to go back into earn better, and I want to paste that, and then I want to hit save and continue. Okay, so it's asking which resume do I want my cover letter to go with. Of course, the one that I just did here. So I'm gonna just go with this one here, and I'm gonna hit finalizing my cover letter. So right now it is finalizing my cover letter. It's getting it ready. Sometimes it can be fast, sometimes it can be quick. So go grab your coffee and your tea and be patient. It will work. I mean, this is 100% free, y'all. Here is the cover letter. It took under 7 minutes. You see how it is? How did you can go here and change it, tweak it the right way you want it to right now. It's standard. You can choose professional, confident, playful, informative, inspirational, and hit regenerate cover letter. All of this is free. So you could download it, hit finish, and that's all you have to do. You can share the cover letter. I'm gonna hit finish. And then it gives me suggestions of other remote jobs that I can apply for since I applied for referral. This is 100% free, y'all. Um, I love it. I don't get paid through Earn Better. I'm just here to share something that's free because a lot of people are spending lots and lots of money. It's people that are paying $200 for somebody to revamp their resume and they still can't get a job. If I know something that's free, I'm going to show you. I'm going to tell you. That's just how I am. I want you to know that there's free things out here that's for you. Okay? So take advantage of it. Also you can practice your interview. You can go in here and role play and do interview prep. You know what I'm saying? So there's different things that you could do on this platform here. So take advantage of it. Again, it's Earn Better. Okay. You need to understand AI. That's where more and more things are going to these days. Everything is going to AI. So if you don't understand it, you better learn it, y'all. You better get that knowledge and take advantage of it. Okay. Now, if this video has been helpful thus far, you know what I want you to do is hit that like button. Comment, leave a comment. I will respond. Subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to build a community where we can uplift and encourage one another on our job search and everyday life. And if you want to be a part of the ride, you got to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to share these videos on your social media platform so more and more people can see what I have to offer each and every single day, y'all. I want you to keep pushing, y'all. Keep pushing. Keep believing, y'all. Trust in the process that you will find what you seeking real soon, y'all. We're in the last days, y'all. I don't know if you're aware of it, but we're in the last days because I see it. It's so much confusion. It's a lot of people that are going through a lot of confusions on different jobs where people being lied on and being prosecuted. And God don't like a liar. He wants you to be truthful, but it's a lot of people lie so much that they believe that everything that they say they believe is the truth. And we gotta, learn, hey, you gotta stay away from those type of people. But we're in the last days, y'all. We are in the last days. If you don't know, now you know, is that we got to get it right with the Lord because he's coming back real soon. He's already here. But he's coming back, y'all. And I know that when he comes back, I want to be with God. Okay. I know heaven is real. I know it's hell. I know hell is real. But we got to repent. A lot of us don't want to repent. It's people that be on these jobs. I've seen it, have gotten folks fired. I've been fired. I know one lady, I thought she was my friend years ago. She got me fired. She went back and she said, lied on me just to get promotion. And when she lied on me, guess what? 2 weeks later, she without a job. Is people have got me fired because of prayer Jabez. Said I was talking about the prayer Jabez. And a lot of times we need to pray that prayer is that God enlarge our territory because he wants us to be better. When you go to Ecclesiastes 11:2, it says not 7, but 8 multiple streams of income because you never know what can happen on the land. But people have got me fired. I got fired because I was quiet. I got fired because I didn't gossip. And people get you fired like this, they end up losing their job. And that's what happened to me. So you got to be careful. That's one man that I seen. I think he was on another social media platform. And he said, you got to be careful how you treat people because some people are here by God. They're on assignment. And when God is telling people to do something, you get in the way in the midst of their what God has for them to do. God will literally move you out of the way in order for them to complete your assignment. So you got to be very careful. And I tell you that you cannot give up. I tell my kids, I tell everybody, and I tell you, is that when people see value in you that you can't see in yourself, then that's when God allow the enemy to attack you. See, they're not going to attack you if they don't see you don't have nothing to offer and bring to the table. So if you ain't got nothing to bring to the table, you're not being attacked as much as somebody that do have offer. There's nothing to be offense. If you don't want to do nothing with your life, nobody's not going to attack you because that's not competition. But when you want to do things with your life, he's talking about, well, I'm tired of living paycheck to paycheck.
I want to have a better life for myself and my kids and my family. People don't want to see you have that better life. They love it when you're struggling, living paycheck to paycheck, don't know how your next money is going to come. And all of a sudden you decide that, hey, I want to make more money. I want to have multiple streams of income. That's when God allowed the enemy to come and attack you. And that's why I say you got to pray. If you've never been attacked, keep on living. You're going to experience it, and you got to know what to do. You got to pray on your knees, fight on your knees, not physically fight, but fight on your knees. When you go into the next level God is taking you to, a lot of people not going to understand why God is taking you that. I always say if God wanted other people to know, he would have did a two-way conference call so you and that person can know. But I'm telling you, it's when people see value in you that you cannot see in yourself, then that's when God allowed the enemy to come and attack. You got to understand, thieves and burglars do not break in homes that they don't see value. They break in homes that they see value that they can sell. And that's the same thing. When people see something in you, that's when God is going to allow the enemy to come and try to attack you. But you got to learn and pray and plead the blood of Jesus over you and say from the top of your head to the sole of your feet belongs to God. And unfortunately, it could be your family that's attacking you. It could be your own husband. It could be your wife. It could be your kids. It could be people you know and you don't know that's attacking you. You know what I'm saying? Because God allowed the devil to get into them. Devil got to have a host to get into. They allow, he allowed the devil to get into people, and they be saying things. A lot of times people not aware of what they're doing. But you got to learn to pray, y'all. Prayer is the key that will unlock doors that you thought that you never can enter, because you will find a job that you're seeking real soon. But you have to trust the process. Again, like I always say, he may not come when you want him to, but he's always on time. Don't give up. Keep pushing. Means pray until something happens. Go out there and grab today what the Lord has for you. He has a blessing out there with your name on it. You got this. Many blessings to each and every one of y'all. And I pray that whatever you desire in your heart, it shall be given in the name of Jesus. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.